If you would like to try Modeler for free, you can using an entry-level cloud instance. This video will guide you through the necessary steps to creating your account and provisioning your first cloud instance of Modeler. To begin, let's navigate to the Modeler homepage. We can navigate directly to the registration page by clicking the Activate Modeler button. Enter your basic account details such as company name, full name, and email address. If you would like to provision a paid server with more memory, check the box Select a server size and location later. To proceed with a free entry-level instance, select a location which is closest to where you are physically. You will need to acknowledge that you agree to the terms of use and confirm that you are indeed a human being before you can register. Click the Submit button to register your account. Within 2 minutes, you should receive an email with your password and activation link. Be sure to check your spam or junk mail folder if the activation email takes longer than expected to arrive. Once the email arrives, click the activation link to activate your account and log in. When you first log in, your instance is likely still being provisioned. In the meantime, you'll be directed to a screen which explains that it may take up to 15 minutes for your instance to be configured. While we wait, let's change our account password. To do this, click your name at the top right corner of the screen and select Manage Account. Select the My Account tab and type your old password followed by your desired password twice. After you change your password, log out and come back in 10 minutes to check on the instance. To log out, click on your name and select Log Out. It's been 10 minutes, so let's log in and see if our instance is ready for us to start developing a model. The instance is ready. We can begin creating a new model. Now that you have your account set up with a free instance of Modeler, you are free to explore the environment. This concludes this video tutorial. In the next video, we will explain models and applications.